As those with whom we've walked this journey, especially those of us in the Azimio coalition, and there are many, but for these purposes, the one who catches my eye is Professor George Wajackoyah in his traditional regalia. But today he has done better because he's not wearing that thing. Today he's wearing combat. Allow me to recognize the Secretary Generals of our various trade unions and two catch my eye. First, the veritable Francis Atuoli. Allow me also to recognize our very own Secretary General of NAT, Collins Oyu, who is also from Rarieda. Allow me to make this recognition because I'm the Member of Parliament for Rarieda, but there are those who came before me. First in that order is Waziri, who is also my uncle, Tuju. He is here. Wododio. Dakumos Tuju Maver. But after him, but immediately before me, I think Nicholas Gumbo is somewhere here. There he is. Allow me, ladies and gentlemen, to recognize all the mourners who are here. But more importantly, Jorarieda, Untie. To commence this part, and I had already said you only take 2 minutes, we will start with the veterans. There are those who served with George for 4 decades. On behalf of the veterans, Lumumba Wade, please approach the podium. But unlike Nairobi, you will not call the veterans up here. You will only ask them to be upstanding wherever they are, and then you speak on their behalf. Lumumba Wade is not just a veteran, he is a man who knows the corridors of committee very well.
Thank you very much.